Hi Chetan. Okay, it is question related to the direct proportion. You have the doubt. Okay, I want to clear your doubt. First we explain about and again we recall the directly proportion. Directly proportion means the two variables are in the same ratio, that is called as the directly proportional. Okay, here suppose we are taking x and y are the two variables, those are in the same ratios of the two quantities. X1 by y1 is equal to same proportion and x2 by y2 equal to the same ratio, same proportion. So equate those two, x1 over y1 equal to x2 over y2. So the two relations, it is in the direct proportion means the relation of the two variables is x1 y2 equal to x2 y1. You remember for the direct proportion. And the general form of the equation, if it is a directly proportion means the two quantities are in the same ratio, means we can take it as either x by y equal to k or y by x equal to k. But here y by x is the ratio, so y equal to kx is the relation of the two variables x and y. Okay, when we take it as the first quantity and second quantity, the ratio is in between second and first or first and second. Here the ratio whatever it is k. Okay, next you remember that the question is, it is given that y is in direct proportion. Y is in that direct proportion. Direct proportion means you have an idea of the relation y equal to kx. This is the equation. And you find an equation connecting with x and y means they have given the y equal to 5 and x equal to 4. Substitute in the general form, that is 5 equal to k multiply with 4. From this what is the constant value? K equal to 5 by 4. That write in the connecting of the equation of x and y is equal to 5 by 4 into x. This is the relation of the x and y variable with the common ratio, that is 4y equal to 5x, or you can take it as 5x is taking to left side, 4y minus 5x equal to 0. Okay. The second one, find the value of x when y equal to 12. So what is the relation here for b? Y equal to kx. What is the k value? 5 by 4 into x. They have given y equal to 12. To find out x equal to what? Substitute y value in the given relating of the x and y variable equation, that is 12. 12 equal to 5 over 4 into x. Yes. Then cross multiply it. X equal to 12 is multiplied with 4 over 5. Say 48. 12 4s are 48 over 5. 48 is divided with 5. 5 9s are 45. 3 is the remainder. Take the decimal point. Keep the 0. 5 6 are 30. So what is the x value? 9.6. Therefore, for the second question, the answer is x equal to 9.6. Okay, this is the answer. And for the first one is y equal to 5 by 4 into x. This is the way. Okay, directly proportional ante okati perugutu unte inkokati perugutu undali. Increasing order, both are in increasing order or decreasing order. If indirectly proportional means ఒకటి పెరుగుతూ ఉంటే ఇంకొకటి తగ్గుతూ వస్తూ ఉంటుంది, అంటే ఒకటి ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటే ఇంకొకటి డిక్రీజ్ అవుతూ వచ్చేదాన్ని ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ అంటాం. ఇప్పుడు మనం డిస్కస్ చేసింది ఓన్లీ డైరెక్ట్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి? రిలేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది టూ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్. అవి ఏదైనా అవ్వచ్చు. 2 వేరియబుల్స్ మీన్స్ సపోజ్ వి బై 10 books, what is the cost? If the cost of one book is 10 rupees, the total cost is suppose 120, how many books we purchased? When we purchase increasing of the books, the cost is also increases. In the similar way, pens, pencils, erasers, if amount of the quantity of the variable x, the cost is in y variable. We increase the quantity, we have to pay the more amount. That is in the same proportionality. The book, similar book cost is always same. That is the same ratio, proportion. అంటే సమానంగా ఉంటుంది. అది 1 book అయినా 2 books అయినా కాస్టే. సోప్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సోప్ 15 rupees, పర్ఫ్యూమ్ $100 or 100 rupees, anything. If the measurement of the units is whatever it may be, either dollars, cents, rupees, pies, everything. Okay, this is the way. The just relation is directly proportional means you remember x1 y2 equal to x2 y1. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి, అంటే ఆపోజిట్గా ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ x1 ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ అంటే నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో నేను ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ ఎలా వేటికి రిలేట్ అవుతుంది అనేది డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా? ఈ రియల్ లైఫ్లో ఎక్కడ యూజ్ అవుతుంది, సో మెనీ కేసెస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ యూజ్డ్. ఇఫ్ వీ ఇంక్రీజ్ ద స్పీడ్, మనం స్పీడ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసేస్తే కంపల్సరీ ద డిస్టెన్స్ ఆల్సో ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఒకటి స్పీడ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు డిస్టెన్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతూ వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? బుక్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతూ ఉన్నప్పుడు బుక్స్కి పే చేసే కాస్ట్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతూ వస్తుంది. అలానే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఒక కంప్లీషన్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్ అన్నప్పుడు మనం మెన్స్ని ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తే వర్క్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతూ వస్తుంది, అంటే కంప్లీట్ ఆఫ్ ది వర్క్. అంటే ఇవన్నీ వన్ ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు అనదర్, one is increases, the obviously other one is also increases. That is called as the directly proportional. Okay, thank you.